Hello everyone, welcome to Craftworks. Today I'm going to show you how to make this, it's like a spanner easel card, and it folds flat for posting like that and pops up there. You can write your message in this piece here or on the back, it's entirely up to you. But today I'm going to make one using white cardstock, because I already had some stars cut out in white, and I wanted to see the difference. Really, I'm using the same designer series paper, but I probably won't heat emboss. I will probably stamp in Night of Navy. So for this you want a piece of cardstock that measures 8 inches by 5 3/4. Score it at 4. You can see I was so excited to get started. I've already started without you. And then you're going to cut 1 inch on both sides. So I've done one already, and I'm just cutting up to the score line like that. And then I'm going to fold these pieces out of the way, and I'm going to score this at 2 inches, and that there gives us our fold. These two pieces here are going to be glued to the card base, okay, and I need a 1/4 inch strip of designer series paper by 3 3/4. So I've got one piece here. Oh, I might just get away with that. So I'm going to cut 1 inch. No, not 1 inch. 3/4 of an inch. Don't listen to me. Here we go. 3/4 of an inch by 3 3/4. I'm just going to double check these are the same, because this was a piece that was left on my desk, and they are. And then we want 2 pieces that measure 3 5/8 and 1 3/4, and they're going to go here and here. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue these flaps down, because they actually do get in the way. This is actually a really quick and easy card. I would suggest prepping everything first, all your die cutting. And then that's there like that. And now for these pieces, we'll pop these down the sides. I have been filming all day today, and it is getting really dark outside. It's only 4 o'clock. And then this piece here. Oh, I've got a gluey mark there. Use glue rubber later. And then our 2 strips are going to go in the centre of these pieces, top and bottom. Now I have already pre-cut these. So I did do a video earlier, a few weeks ago, last week I think it was actually, where I show you how to use the die and the embossing folder together. So, and I did white and gold at the same time. So I'm just going to layer these now on top, and this is a standalone die, that one there, and I've just cut that in the white. So I'm going to stick these down. I want that up a little bit more, but I think it's too late. And now this one, going down the middle. Like so. Let's give that a second. And now I'm going to just pop glue on these pieces here, and I'm going to line this piece up with the score mark. And just give that a little press down. And it pops up like that. So now I need my sentiment, and we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. What can and I am using the double oval tab, punch even, and Night of Navy ink. And some dimensionals on the back. And I'm working out where I want it to stand. I want it to stand about there. Sorry, I've probably got all my fingers and thumbs in the way. And there we have it in the white. So I do quite like that. And again, it folds flat for posting. So thank you for joining me today. The set I have used is Stars at Night, and it is really pretty. So I'm having lots of fun using this. And here they both are together. And I shall see you again soon.